both foundational and translational research. So in translational research, I'm really interested in exploring the application of cutting-edge machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies for the most challenging problems. What I do is to study machine learning systems that learn a continual stream of tasks and how those systems can actually become better in, for example, predicting some of those tasks as they learn new things over time. So this kind of research and achieving this kind of continual systems that can actually refine their knowledge over time can have a lot of applications in a lot of different domains. So one of the domains is object recognition tasks that you may observe examples for sequentially, but other domains could be, for example, the clinical domain. So, for example, if you train a model for some particular task at a hospital in the north of New Zealand, you may want to refine that model with more data in the South Island of New Zealand. So you should be able to do this continual and transfer of knowledge of the same model in different locations of the country for, predicting the risk of having some particular disease or predicting how successful a treatment would be for some particular illness. Other examples are in the manufacturing domain, where you could actually have the same model for helping different tasks across the production line of a particular product. And if you could use the same model to, for example, predict defects at different points of that production line and refine that model over time as you learn and you perform more processes, then that could be really, really helpful for that domain. Climate change, for example, is such an interesting area that we can actually help through machine learning techniques to actually find real solutions. Every single day we have more and more access to climate observations, and we have access to research that has been done in the past regarding how our environment and our planet is changing, that we can really use these techniques to exploit this data and help find solutions to the most challenging problems in our planet. I think we have made such a really interesting progress over the last 5 years or so in terms of machine learning and AI techniques that we are now in a position where we can actually use those techniques and advances to help the world solve really concerning problems. So now we can, for example, use those models to help researchers in biology or life sciences to actually try and find solutions to really challenging diseases like cancer or some other illnesses that people is suffering. So I think we are at a point that we can actually, as computer scientists doing machine learning, really contribute to solve the most challenging problems around the world.